Shenzhen Power World New Energy Technology Company Limited was established in 2004. It is a high-tech enterprise focusing on the research, development, production, and sales of air source heat pump products. The headquarters is located in Shenzhen, and the factory is located in Dongguan. Power World has strong technology and R&D strength, and with a complete heat pump industry chain. The products involve swimming pool heat pumps, EVI inverter heat pumps for residential or hotel heating, cooling, and hot water, industrial and commercial high-temperature heat pump, etc. Among them, the export volume of EVI inverter heat pumps has always been among the best. We are one of the top 10 heat pump suppliers in China for many years, and exporting more than 60 countries, such like Sweden, Czech, Poland, Germany, France, Spain, Slovenia, etc. Power World has a reasonable talent structure, with a number of senior engineers as the main technical backbone, and experienced production personnel. We have 8 flexible automatic production lines, so the product volume and efficiency is very high. We are committed to technology research and development, and has so far obtained more than 80 product patents. And our products are past ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CE, ERP, and etc. certified. In the fierce market competition, Power World has not changed the original intention, only to give back to customers with the best quality and service.